find easy today like this.
My washing machine don't spoil. See, I can't wash my singlet. See, my hand don't peel.
See you. Now, yeah, but you know how you wash singlet. Which kind of soap you take? Which kind of soap? Now, bathing soap. Now, those kind of.
Nah, detergent, normal detergent.
Which detergent? Why you know use Saika soap?
I be a chapako, not trying.
Why does your hand come and peel?
See.
To wash singlet. Hey! If you are washing...
If you say my singlet na jeans material, or my boxers na jean material.
No, so if you wash jeans now...
No, I know if you wash jeans. I know fit.
No. They only do jeans at the theater.
And you know, my jeans na theater. You always can't just they wash. And then they wash jeans for like 6 months.
So you can wear them how?
If you just wear them when it fade, you just drop and get another one.
Idiot.
So they don't hammer be that.
I don't say another one. Another.
So you don't need to repeat your jeans.
For where?
I wish.
Yeah, me. So what do you wish? If you say you know the repeat, you know.
You go take another one.
So you could just take another one. You could leave that one when in dirty.
True.
You don't mind this one?
Neru, you know, say sometimes I don't really understand you. I say ba now for say ba throw. So the thing I say na ba.
So you know who you believe now? Easy bit I mean.
I don't know. It easy bit no used to lie like that. But you know these days, I mean here some kind of makarebo proclivities. Yes, you come makarebo.
Anyway, una good evening. I beg, make una leave that English. What is the proclivities now? What bring a proclivity?
Proclivity.
You waiting a proclivity. Can you wear a proclivity? Our form mother. What is it?
Your boss.
My boxers now my boxers matter end up bring a proclivity now.
No,
what they put no, please. If we are talking normal, can't give a proclivity. What they cause my boxers concern a proclivity.
Because
Koiri.
I know by force now. It's not quarrel. It's not quarrel now. It's too early to quarrel in the night time. Because you look fine today and you wear better cloth. This kind of cloth, you know, carton color. No, but this your wallpaper cloth, be this. They do the wear wallpaper.
I'm not the Casey. Fashion icon. Anyway, now good evening. Welcome to the election for today.
But did you find today? Stand up, make I look you.
Leave me now.
Stand up, Yare, make I look you.
I never stand up before.
No, I will not look you. I'm taking a double take. Take 2. But oh wow.
My name is Nanedu and I'm here Katim as usual. And DJ Easy Beats, the one and only DJ in Africa, the best DJ in the world.
Yeah,
we get different girls from different parts of the world. They call him now. Even one call him now. Say, give me your boyfriend number. Give me the number now. Easy Beats say no. I'm busy. I'm in the studio. I'm busy. Can't you say I'm busy?
I'm in the studio, man.
I'm in the studio. I'm about to shoot now. I'm busy. Don't you know I shoot live? Please.
So, Easy Beredo now very international. I send you a telephone call from Japan. I do China.
France.
I do Bermuda Triangle. France. New Jersey. California.
Tanganyika. You don't know that country? Tanganyika. Then they use visa go. Now for Edo. From Edo State you go follow go.
Tanganyika.
From Benin you go follow go.
Which country is that?
You don't know Tanganyika?
What you mean Tanganyika?
From there, now there Beyonce follow come. The original Beyonce.
Yes.
Original Nicki Minaj, now from there she follow come.
Tanganyika.
No,
Nerua, Abante say you mean Tangado Dominican Republic.
No, I know Dominican Republic. It's on a Tanganyika. Now Benin, now the only place where they follow go. For that post office area, where bats they fly around that area. That post office area.
So you go use when you stand there, you could
stand there around 12 midnight.
Yeah. So you have
turn 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go right. 1, 2, 3, go left. Then 1, 2, 3, go right. 1, 2, 3, go left. Then do.
That's all.
Kasi, ask Nedu. I think
because he don't call them himself. He killed one kid. Where that time when they follow, I know him.
What? It make me remember breaking up with Benin girl. Don't try it. Break up with Benin girl, my brother. You go see where in the car for night. I see one picture where they see where you see ram, cow, on top horse, goat there on top the horse. Another ram conde, then cat conde on top. You see him for road, my brother. This is when he break up with the Benin girlfriend. Now you go back. Now what for you? Now play the play now. Now one material for joke while they try walk out. Anyway, now welcome on the night show for today. My name is Nanedu _ me and Katim and Easy Beat. Don't they ready for show?
So we never welcome them since.
We never welcome them. We just talk our own. Anyway, today's show, now I get today's show from beginning to the end. And no guest today, now I go call. But what we want to talk about, so we talk about blood group last time, about, all those things. But to get topic where person been saying we could talk about, and so we could talk about them today. This one, plenty people, they do.
The reason I first asked you before we enter topic, why you dey go church? Now because of the pastor you dey go church, or yours because you just like the place?
I'm not going to give you. Why they go church? You see, I don't need to go church to go heaven.
Okay.
That's the truth. And I feel their house. I go get ministration past you waiting for church.
Yes.
You don't understand? Now, the church, now, the body of Christ. I think talk about church not be building.
Yes.
Church now the people will gather together. The only reason why maybe they go church sometimes, now say okay, you go church. The Bible say iron sharpeneth iron.
Yes.
You understand? If you hear words, you get some kind of pastor will tell you, you go minister to your body and soul and mind.
And your spirit.
And your spirit, you understand? Where go help you valatuate the zanaga.
Okay,
You understand?
yeah.
Because if that zanaga not enter well, the valatu will not
No, the
vantula.
Valatu not go
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So going to church.
Okay. So going to church, a big deal
Going
for
to
you.
church, not be. I dey go church.
It's not because the pastor where you
Not
dey go
because
church.
of, I not even see. Some pastors, some pastors, you get some pastors why they go their church. Like when I dey attend this Star Christian Center, I dey go church because of the church, as in their it's an organization. They had to take to organize everything.
Yes.
The choir, of course, I did choir. The man of God, when pastor I did psalm, they preach. He not they shout, blah, blah. No.
He could just talk to you and you
You
feel
could
like
talk small. My brother, after service, like you go dey cry. You know that you go listen your life 10 times. You understand? I know they not be no times. And not be that kind of person where they go say miracle they happen there, go there. The same pastor, God where pastor they pray for, and the same God where they pray to. So leave that thing.
Easy, you uncle.
I did go church based on just to strengthen my own
no, we say
personal.
because of pastor.
No, because at the end of the day, if it gets a kind of mood where you go day, some
Yes.
pastors they we even feel assess themselves. So if you go meet them, tell them your personal stuff. So if you dey go church, all those things we don't hear, we don't accumulate. You can't say
Validate your vantula.
Now because of what you want to talk about, that's why I asked.
Yes, we can't
Say
talk
how
about that
many,
because so many people now
they go
religion
church because of pastor.
because of pastor.
The pastor is a very sweet man. Oh, so
Anyway,
the pastor too fine.
The topic we go discuss today, we go break. But before we go talk the topic now, before we go break, then come back so that I go begin call us sharp. Make we know what you think about the matter. This one it happened. Now, one woman will die when she dey born pikin. She don't born pikin finish. Now they cut her say, Madam, your blood dey too low. You go need make them infuse, give you blood. The woman say, na Jehovah Witness, na she be.
And
Say they not they collect, they not
her.
believe in blood transfusion.
Because of her faith.
Because of her faith, say she not go take blood. Madam, you go die. Say no, she believe. Say Jehovah go heal her. Now so she dey. This woman die. Go. But the question what they ask you now. Now religion, I been a mad. Now faith, I been a madness. What do you think about this matter? Whether you be Jehovah Witness or you never be Jehovah Witness. What this is what this woman do?
Say instead of to go, you say okay to save your life.
Save your life.
Come collect blood.
Take the blood.
The blood they match with your own blood.
We match with
and
your
that
own
kind
blood.
blood na O negative. That
say,
okay, come and collect the blood.
collect the
Make you
blood.
live.
He say no.
He say no. Say in faith.
In faith.
They know they create them
Then
collect
they
blood.
agree to collect blood. Anyway, I'm going to buy some more chicken break for you. This one, now faith, I been a madness. Now be this one. When will they come back? Now the question will they ask? Now faith, I been a madness. Will they come back?
Na faith. You make me feel like say today is Friday.
This one, in case you just they join us, what will they discuss? Now say one woman when they be say one born pikin, she don't born pikin finish, but she lose plenty blood
in the process.
In the process. Now the doctor say, Madam, make we give you blood. We don't get we don't check the type of blood when it be say be your own, and we don't see person when it be say get exact type of your blood. Make we give you blood. The woman say no. Say her faith say not accept make she take the blood, so therefore she believes say her God go save her.
Even when they know every medical everything
Now so this woman rage take die. Now make I talk another one where I been tell Katim when we go break. But at the first one I will go talk about. Now this one I want to talk about easy bit.
Yeah.
This woman go hospital, she don't dey labor. Hey Becca, madam, you don't dilate almost finished, but this pikin where would they see? It not go fit come outside. It's too big. This pikin are like 3.9, almost 4 kg.
And the woman is very small in stature.
I do my so
sorry.
Whoa.
Village people, no one the wall people.
He not go walk.
Amen.
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 It's okay. Madam, you not go fit push this pikin normal. We guys do you CS.
Yeah.
She no crazy.
We guys do you CS. And even if this pikin come out, he go tear you well. And he know it's not possible. The woman say, no, I reject it. I reject it.
It's not my portion.
It's not my portion.
I serve a living
It's not
God.
my portion. I serve a living God. I will not do
Everything
operation.
is possible through him.
My brothers and sisters in the ministry. This woman push, so the pikin not only tear am, the pikin dislocate her leg. Till today, her leg, she dey limp. And that limp not be normal limp, they carry this thing limp because of the dislocation.
She go look that pikin now, if it the face from time
Tell
to time.
me, is that faith or madness? Anyway, make we begin the call us. Our phone numbers on the Ontop TV.
We don't understand on a tweet message. Thank you so much. We could read on a tweet message as we dey wait una call.
Make una begin the call us. Hey, as the Katim they talk, as you just in case you just join us, no matter when they say concern woman, when they say one born, she don't born begin finish, but she lose plenty blood. Now she come they say, Madam, Moko give you blood. She say no, say her faith not agree. Make them they do blood transfusion. Now so the woman die, take go. The woman die. Now
just like that.
Just like that. Question would they ask? How far would they go with this religion? The question would they ask again? Now faith be this one. I been a madness. I been a what do you go call them? Our phone numbers there TV. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what you think. But on top Twitter,
His Royal Highness Sam Wilson, he sent he sent tweet in 2 parts. If you look down, he say the action of the woman is faith, but she forget say faith without work. Now zero. Collect the blood first and have faith of healing. After all, when Jesus they healed the blind man, he used spit and sand.
spit.
Spit and sand before the healing perfect.
Oh.
Sam?
Now,
So
Ambassador Emmanuel Gabari talk say, I beg. Them for ask the woman. No, now the woman don't die, so nobody fit ask her. Them for ask the woman, say, who manufacture blood? Not be God. Who give doctors wisdom? Not be God. And then Genevieve Obasi say, it is their belief and faith. There is an injection used to boost blood when needed. I don't blame her. Not be madness. Now faith.
Oh.
Okay.
Ramadan say no use madness, but illiteracy.
And then Ramadan still talks, say religion is supposed to open our eyes, but this is total madness. Katim and Neduhauna, they greetings from the Emirates. And then Afalabi
the plane you dey?
Eh?
But I did inside that plane.
Maybe.
Emirates for the stadium. I've been there for.
I don't know.
Anyway, from Niger, good evening.
Afolabi Mutiu say my brother na confirm madness.
And then another person, okay, Afolabi
Sonny?
Mutiu. Then His Royal Highness again, he talks, say, una good evening, no, Katim, the only one, okay, now your dance step. Sonny, Simbia.
Simbiam.
Say this is poor madness. Madness get rich one. Maybe not pure. He want talk. This is poor madness as far as I'm concerned. People should apply wisdom in everything. Now, what will make me ask you is, okay, from Benin, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Organido, good evening.
How is you, my brother?
Fine, no, Katin, good evening.
How now? Evening, oh.
Peace, I greet you. Now,
Yes, boss. Aye, Baba. Good evening,
Samsi,
boss.
how Delilah?
Lila is fine, no, she's fine, no.
Okay, this is what we discuss today. You think saying a faith, I mean a madness. I mean, what you go call them?
My brother, and I read madness too. There's something that faith will carry. This one is not a faith.
Anyway, Samsi, thank you very much.
Thank you.
From
Thank you.
Ejigbo, good evening. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
How
Good
now?
evening, my brother.
Good evening.
I beg, if you reduce the volume of your TV, Chooks.
Okay.
Chooks, this is what they discuss. What you go call them? Now faith, I been a madness. I mean, you get a special definition for them.
That's total madness.
If now you go take the blood, Abi. All right, no wahala. Chooks, thank you very much.
Okay.
And then when Musa talks, say God said you should help yourself before He helps you. Where it is for Bible? Anyway,
no, God help those who help themselves now.
Please, my brother, he said this one a typical madness. Na it be. Anyway, in case you just join us, now what we discuss with that. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV, make you begin the call us. Make we discuss this matter easy bit. For you, what do you think? You think it's a proper madness? I've been a faith, or I don't know whether because your own, you always talk go out of your own way. I don't know how you think your own.
No, if it can't start to talk, say
it depends.
Give me 5.
It depends.
So maybe
what you go call this one? Faith, madness, or it depends?
It depends.
On waiting.
It depends on waiting.
Okay, because number one, I don't feel call it madness. You understand? And I still feel call it faith. But to a large extent, if you don't know the kind predicament where you don't day, you understand? You just like person that tell say before now till 1 month time you go die. Like the person believes say God will heal him, you know go die. And person will be like they tell him say at this moment you won't die so.
Yes.
You understand?
Sorry, Mo take Agbef.
Right.
Agbef, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Good evening, oh.
Agbef, I bet chook mouth for this matter.
I don't know my television. Which one is the matter?
We they discuss woman when he be say as she dey born pikin, she born pikin finish, but blood come dey very very low for her body. They can't say make them give her blood. She can't say she no want. Say her faith.
Go heal him.
Go heal
so
her.
She no need the blood.
Say she no need the blood. Now so she die go. What will they discuss? Now faith be this one. I been a madness. Now it be. I been another thing. Now it be.
He say no need the blood.
No, she says she don't need the blood. Say her faith go help him. Go heal him.
Her faith go heal her. Say her religion.
Church. Yeah.
Then now they take blood. So now so she follow die go. So what you go call this kind one?
Not the madness. Now the time now reach.
Now
in time.
Now time reach. God will not say any. God will create person. God made this will respect for this life.
Okay.
So if your time don't reach, nothing you can do. So that woman time now reach. That's why you need to take that blood.
Okay. All right. No, Agbef, thank you.
If not the time reach, it will take the blood.
Okay. Agbef, thank you. From Calabar, good evening. Austin.
Did it make any sense? I don't ask maybe.
Anyway, continue easy bit.
Okay, now in addition to waiting Agbef talk, waiting I believe that Agbef they try talk we say even if say she take the blood, if not her time,
she for still die.
She for still die. So now waiting me I believe that Agbef they try talk with that.
Okay.
So like the way I be talk I say, I don't feel call her madness. She gets, but before you go make some decision to talk say now waiting I want to be this, I go take, I don't go take. You got think the kind predicament where you did as at that moment. She understand. So number one, that decision now, not only she fit still make that decision alone. Now she get husband, if she get mama, get papa, get brother, everybody go to that hospital. They go don't consult them, say, how far? We won't do this thing, no. You know, wife or na pikin say, you know, go agree.
So you think say they say agree?
Yeah, well,
no, of course.
If they don't agree, she will not feel scared
in a family something, and of course,
if they are church, say
the kind of religion which she
probably not everybody be.
Then they marry themselves.
You understand?
And I won't believe now they get.
Probably not everybody.
Not be say that religion na bad, bad. No, my uncle is one.
It just they change. It get some kind stand where they take for life. Where we say. You could ask yourself as a normal person when know they are religion. You go ask yourself say I mean this something and I been at me.
Ma talk something quick. I not go like give you. Faith works.
Very well.
Faith they work well. I don't see person when he be say I never see I don't hear gist of person when he be say na SS na he no sorry na HIV/AIDS positive.
Yes.
Na he get. When they do prayer do fasting, they say make you go back to the hospital go do checking. When you go hospital go do check, the AIDS don't disappear. In blood they clean, nothing they there again. Now your faith now if you work for you. But the question they talk now be say he gets sometimes when he be say.
You weigh the possibility. Yeah, you weigh the options.
People see on Twitter, they say too much faith not advisable. God help those that help themselves. Now Mike Nwabisi talks this one. He said that now madness of greatest order. Now Haji Salih who say, cause no defined religion that does not prioritize knowledge, be it scientific.
You understand?
So everything now subject to your interpretation.
how you take interpret? Okay, see, I'm not. You know, say even as Christianity did, he gets some people where believe say you not be your Christianity, not be their Christianity.
Yes.
You say you're not strong rich.
Yeah,
I don't want call names. Anyway, good evening from Lagos. Here.
Good evening, Nedu. This is
Favor, how you doing?
fine, thank you.
Favor, I beg, chook mouth for this matter.
I bet this is my international madness today.
Why you facing a madness?
This is an international
Because
madness.
your life, this is not your life. You dey talk say na
And
church.
your life no be
What our church take concern your life? Hey, you don't die now. You go be pilot for that side. You don't die. This is an international madness.
All right, no wahala.
You know me. I'm not be a bobby giro pilot.
Nko make na mko ba awo se sanga de
Ngero maka ge bi egbo ya ge di onire mi.
yeah ga bi egbo I say some do already. Aya ke fellowship yem mo ke ne ba ga do ke that side.
Nje boboro. You know come me sere.
I say mama mi se so so tom gbo ke wo se da kari na muton de se me.
Igbongbo kakaria gbongbo. Favor, thank you very much. Case of the complaints, I they bite my finger. And then they bite my finger. I decide they bite my.
Then leave am now. Who send you make you go wash your sink plate?
Anyway, back to what we dey talk. See, faith they work. But okay, for example now.
Religion, hold on. Religion fanaticism is one different dimension.
Oh.
So some religion should be cautious about their doctrine. Blood, water, and spirit are defined.
We'll come back to that matter. From Lagos, good evening. Irene. Okay, call us back. Our phone number is there on Top TV.
Fanaticism, that's why I first asked that question. You they go church because of pastor or
exactly. Because the truth is, this Bible what they carry, everything they inside there.
Yes.
The thing where
even devil
no Bible.
Yeah,
you now, easy bit. You feel sit down there now. You go read John 3:16. For God so loved the world and he gave the world. Now, the thing where you go, the ministration where you go get from reading that John 3:16, it go different from what you go get. So if you be saying now, the situation where you did at that time, now you go get ministration based on that thing.
You know, say Okpolo tweet something one time. He say, "Be careful." Say even the devil they quote scripture.
Devil they quote
you. So. Sam Adeoye say, that pastor, Sam Adeoye say, don't blame the woman, blame us pastors that are teaching people wrong biblical principles.
We'll come back to that, Sam. From Akwa, good evening. Hello? Hello? Continue.
So, Pastor Sam Adeoye, don't blame the woman, blame us pastors that are teaching people the wrong biblical principle.
Because even not be only for even Christianity. It goes for Christianity. Okay, see am now. What you go talk about that church for South Africa, before Kenya? When you be say the pastor say make them go chop grass.
All of them follow. All of them run go chop
grass. All of them run go chop grass.
I don't
go talk about that one
myself.
One was see for Instagram.
Pastor Mbomen, Katim. Lo, I tell you right now, go outside there. There's green grass on the scene. Green grass. Am I going to heaven with the green grass?
Good evening, my some better person. How you doing?
So also no.
Hello. Good evening, my sister.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. We hear you. How you doing?
Fine, thank you. Do you know what? I believe this is totally madness.
Okay.
Like me, the thing really happened to me.
Okay.
I delivered my first baby. It's CS.
Okay.
Then the second baby, they told me it's CS again.
Okay.
I refused.
Okay.
I now went to one woman that they always like they call it Ijo.
Okay.
She now told me that I'm going to deliver myself.
Okay.
I should just take faith.
Okay.
So I think that week I was saying something like poo-poo.
Okay.
Coming out.
Okay.
But she herself, she don't really understand what is the pain.
Yes.
Okay.
But when I see that I need to be alive, my baby needs to be alive. Nedu, I need to go back to the hospital. Let them do the CS. So that I will see my baby and my baby will see me and I will be alive to take care of my children. So to me, it's totally madness.
All right. Thank you very much, Sammy. Sammy, hello, good evening from Lagos still. Andrew.
Oh,
Andrew, reduce your TV volume.
Now.
Hi. I beg, why una dey call us? Make una reduce our TV volume. I beg, make una reduce our TV volume, rather, so that we go fit hear ourselves. Make it not be like say you dey London or you dey America, or you dey Tanganyika, where they follow Benin go, and we will dey here. Anyway, in case you just dey join us, You want to talk something?
Chioma Joy say, Neru, this your eye class, not the fake. I get the original, but you try. You can't be like Ayebota.
Anyway, in case you just join us for this matter, but we'll go back to more chicken break for you. When we come back, we'll continue it on top of this topic. Whether na faith or have been a madness. Woman was supposed to collect blood when he be say she don't born became finished. She dey die. Madam, take blood. They say no. My faith not agree. Make I do blood transfusion. Now so she follow die go. Now faith have been a madness.
Young girl.
Have been another thing you go call am. When they come back.